Looking for your dream job? Let me show you how to apply for jobs on Workfreaks App in just a few simple steps. You will first receive a referral link through our HR team. Click the link to go directly to the Workfreaks job application page through your phone or laptop. If you're new, sign up using your mobile number and OTP that you get on your number. Already have an account? Just log in. Start by creating a user profile with the personal details. Then, click on Jobs to search, filter, and find suitable ones that match your skills by also reading the job description. Select Apply Now to go further and complete your job profile, adding your skills, qualification, work experience, and resume. On completing that, you can compare your profile with the requirements of the selected job. If it doesn't match, then you can modify your profile according to the job and its requirements. Once you're ready, click Apply Job to submit your application, and that's it. Applying for jobs on Workfreaks app is that easy and quick. You can also track the progress of your application under Applied Jobs and receive updates when an employer responds to your application. Start applying today and take your career to the next level.